Okay, so after a little bit of treatment with the heat gun, like I said, I'm going to try and clear that out a little bit, and it sure did. So I basically made a whole brand new cord now. So I just go ahead and hook it up, see how it goes. But that is fully sheathed. And you can definitely tell which one's positive and which one's negative. And also, the end's still hot a little bit, but nice solid end that is never gonna break off again, let alone get blown up by me maybe. Sorry about the camera jumping around. Okay, so this is what we got. Nice. The heat gun really did a good job on clearing that out, so you can see which one's positive and which one's negative on this quick connect. And now I can charge my battery on the motorcycle here a little bit faster. We'll see. Everything's got to get put together, but we'll get there. Anyways, so I basically have made myself out of hot glue and some old pieces, a new quick connect to be able to jump the battery or charge the battery. Put some loops in the end down there so you can quick connect it onto the battery itself. Kind of like little terminal leads, but anyways, loops I mean. But that's how that worked out. Pretty nice. It's all hot glue, like 5 sticks of it, but that'll work. And what we're gonna do is it's gonna go from the battery up through to the seat and out the side hidden, so you can just quickly hook a trickle charger on there and get it done. But anyways, that's how that ended up. I'm kind of happy with that, so we'll see how it goes. It kind of looks like the arteries of the bike now, so that'd be kind of interesting to have people comment on. I don't know. Anyways, tell me what you think. Have a good day. Now I gotta do that one. This is the little heat gun that I used to be able to make that super glue sheath right over that so very nicely. So I've got myself a new quick charge connect for the bike. Looks kind of like arteries. It's going to go from the battery up through the bottom of the seat, hidden underneath the seat. Anyways, have a good day, guys.